Alright, so what we have here is a FlexiSpot OC4. It's an ergonomic chair from FlexiSpot. I think I just said that. But yeah, let's just put this thing together and we'll go over all the specs once it's all completed. This one has the footrest. I know that because they asked me which one I wanted and I asked for the one with the footrest. If I use it, that's a different story, but at least I'll have it. FlexiSpot's actually been pretty good to me. They gave me the, you can't see it here, but my editing desk, it's a 72-inch editing standing desk, and I love that desk, use it all the time. I used to have the 60-inch desk, which is over in this room now. Door's closed, it's messy in there. But yeah, I love the stuff from FlexiSpot, and now I have a chair to go with everything. How many steps we have here? That seems easy, it's like 10 steps, and yeah, come on, got this. Let's take everything out first. And that's everything out of there, so let's put that to the side. All right, let's do this chair base first. Step 1, install chair base. Should time this, huh? 11:47. All right, it's 11:47 right now, so we'll say 11:50. I can't do time. 11:45. We'll say I got started at 11:45. See how long this takes to put together. All right, step 3. Connect the keel and back seat. Keel. This is not the keel, right? What's a keel? I think it's you. This is the keel? Didn't realize it would be this low the whole time. This camera's a lot higher than, well, I got this one luckily. This is not falling apart on me in any way. I know exactly what I'm doing. This can't be the best way to do this. Got this. You got this. I don't got this. I don't really have this, honestly. There you go. Oh, it's in. Oh, that's great. Now I gotta put this headpiece right. And that's it, right? Step 10, finished. All right, 10, 12, 20, that took me 35 minutes. It took me 35 minutes to put all this together. And then this footrest thing, I think you just pull it out. We're good. Cool, done. All right, let's go back to me and so we can go over all the specs of this chair, even though I just kind of went over it, but let's do it better. I honestly only knew FlexiSpot for their standing desks. I actually have 2 of them here at home. They're a reputable company with quality products, so when they reached out to me to ask if I wanted to try out this chair, it was a no-brainer. So yeah, this is the FlexiSpot OC4 or the OC4 SD or the ErgoX. There's different names for this chair, but they're all the same thing. So I've been using this chair for a few weeks now and it's been a great experience. I spent hours at my desk editing photos and videos and this chair has been really comfortable to use. With my old chair, I had to get the seat cushion to make sitting for hours tolerable, and I haven't needed it at all with this chair. Now instead of me talking about sitting around all day, let's take a closer look at the features of this chair. So the FlexiSpot OC4 SD is an ergonomic office chair. I have the version with the footrest, but you can also get this chair without it. So they say this chair is going to be ideal for people who are between 5'1" and 6'2". I'm right in the middle there, so this is perfect for me. It also supports up to 400 pounds. I'm about a fraction of that, so we're all good there too. It's a mesh chair for maximum breathability that's designed more for ventilation and keeping the seating contact areas cool. The chair is waterproof, anti-UV, and wear and tear resistant. The back of the chair has a dynamic support that can be adjusted up and down with 5 levels. It also has adjustable lumbar support with a dual knobs back here with 3 levels of adjustment. The seat has a waterfall design to reduce leg pressure and is also adjustable. It can slide forward up to 1.2 inches. The armrest has 3 points of adjustment.
It can go up and down up to 2.8 inches. They can slide forward and back up to 1.4 inches. And they can rotate up to 60 degrees. Now these armrests are a little loose and prone to moving around when you don't mean them to. So I do wish that they were a little more firm or harder to adjust. The headrest has 3 points of adjustments as well. It can move up and down up to 2.8 inches. It can rotate 45 degrees. Or you can rotate the headrest surface completely up to 60 degrees. You can also recline the entire chair up to 135 degrees. This chair has a knob on the bottom to adjust the tension when tilting. And finally, the last standout feature of the OC4 is the retractable footrest. When extended, my legs and feet feel supported. And when it's not in use, it tucks in under the seat and doesn't get in the way. It's really easy to get out when you want to extend the footrest, but I thought this was going to be automatic for some reason. I don't know why I was expecting this to be an Iron Man transforming chair. So that's the FlexiSpot OC4 or ErgoX. It has a ton of adjustability, so I recommend taking the time to get everything dialed in and then making minor adjustments as time goes on. When I started using this chair, it was comfortable, but something still felt a little bit off. After using it for a few weeks though, I finally got everything set perfect. Well, it was perfect, but I had to mess up all the settings so that you could see all the features of this chair. This is your fault. See ya.